Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn everything I love. 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart after 14 counts on wall 3 with a bit of a step change. So here, it's such a beautiful day here in Southern California. I wanted to record outside. So here's a preview of the steps. Starting with your right foot, do a shuffle to the right and rock, recover, also called a Lindy. Then we do a shuffle to the left, turn over your right shoulder, half turn, stepping right, pick up your left, turn. Then we do a right sailor step and a left sailor step and a shuffle forward and a rock, recover, and a right sweep, a left sweep, behind, side, cross, scissor, close, turn, full turn, 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 rock, recover, left coaster, step, right half pivot, right half pivot. That's it. That's the 32 steps. Let's break it down. First 8. We shuffle right, step together, step left, back rock, recover right, shuffle to the left, shuffle left, right, left. Now we do a half turn and a half turn over our right shoulder, picking up I'm going to pick up my right foot and step half. Whoa, hard to turn on this. Sorry. Shuffle to the left, half turn over my right shoulder and half turn again. So the first 8 looks like this. Shuffle to the right, left, rock, recover, left, shuffle, and a half turn, half turn. That's the first 8. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes, second 8. You just finished your half turn. Your right foot's free. So we do a right sailor, step left, sailor, step. Shuffle forward right, shuffle forward, left, rock, recover, rock, recover. So your weight ends on your right foot. We just did our full turn. Right foot's ready to do a sailor step, behind, side, side, left, sailor, behind, side, side, right, forward with a shuffle, step together, step, and left, forward, rock, recover. Second 8, and the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Third 8, did our left rock, recover, weights on our right. Quickly, we step on our left and sweep our right, and sweep, and a left sweep into a behind side cross and a scissor step. A scissor over your left shoulder, a quarter turn to end up at 9 o'clock. So we just did our rock, recover, and sweep, sweep, behind side cross, scissor, step. Yes. And we do a full turn now over our right shoulder, stepping left and then right. So full turn. That's it. Third 8 with counts. Rock, recover, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Fourth 8. Left foot's free. We're facing the 9 o'clock wall, our new wall, our second wall. We have 8 more counts. So we do a rock, recover, left, back coaster, step left, back, back, forward. Good. Then we do 2 half pivots over our left shoulder, stepping right, forward, turning half, then step right forward and turn half. So it looks like this. Rock, recover, and coaster step, and a half pivot, and a half pivot. And the counts are 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start on your second wall. That's it. Right foot ready. 5, 6, 7 with the shuffle, shuffle, right, left, rock, cover and shuffle, and a half turn and a save first, and a save first, and a shuffle forward and a rock, recover and sweep, sweep, behind side cross, scissor step, turn, turn, rock, recover and a coaster step, and a right half pivot and a right half pivot. Review with counts from the top. Here we go with the shuffle with the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Oh, there is one little step change and a restart on wall 3, so you'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall. After 14 counts, we restart. So it's going to look like this. Restart after 14 counts. Here we go. Shuffle and a rock, recover and a shuffle and a turn, turn and a sailor step and a sailor step. Shuffle forward. Here's the step change. That was 14 counts. We do a left kick, kick, step on it, and touch your right. It's only 2 counts. So it's 1 and 2. And how it looks like on wall, third wall, facing 6 o'clock, it's going to look like this. Shuffle, rock, recover, shuffle, turn, turn, sailor step, shuffle forward, kick and touch, and restart, rock, recover. That's it. Have fun.